If you're a homeowner in Eagle, Idaho, you understand the importance of making your home not only comfortable but visually appealing. Whether you're thinking about selling in the near future or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful space, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is investing in window replacement. New windows do more than improve insulation. They dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal, giving it a fresh, polished look that instantly boosts its value and charm. Let's explore how window replacement in Eagle can completely transform the exterior of your home. A fresh, modern look that stands out. Old, worn-out windows can make an otherwise beautiful home look tired and outdated. Over time, frames can fade, crack, or warp due to sun exposure, moisture, and temperature fluctuations, common weather conditions in Eagle. Replacing those windows with sleek, modern designs gives your home an instant facelift. New window styles offer clean lines and elegant framing, contemporary colors and materials to match any exterior, optional grid patterns for added character. Whether your home is traditional, farmhouse style, or modern, new windows add that wow factor that enhances first impressions. Customization to match your home's style. When replacing your windows, you're not limited to a single look. Professional window replacement in Eagle offers custom designs that align perfectly with your home's architecture and your personal taste. You can customize frame materials, vinyl, fiberglass, wood-clad, or composite colors and finishes to complement your siding, trim, and roof. Window shapes and styles, such as bay, bow, casement, or picture windows. This flexibility ensures that your new windows don't just fit your home, they elevate its design. Enhanced natural light and visibility. The curb appeal isn't just about how your home looks from the outside, it's also about how it feels when someone walks up to your door or peers through the windows. New windows let in more natural light, creating a warm and welcoming glow from within. Window replacement can expand window openings for larger glass areas. Add fixed or picture windows that showcase beautiful outdoor views. Use low-profile frames to maximize visible glass. The result is a brighter, more open-looking home, both inside and out. Improved symmetry and proportion. Over time, previous renovations or mismatched repairs may have created visual imbalance on your home's facade. With window replacement, you can take the opportunity to restore architectural balance. Professionals can align window heights and sizes. Center windows evenly between design elements. Add decorative trim or shutters for symmetry. These subtle changes can dramatically improve your home's visual harmony, making it more appealing to guests and prospective buyers. Boosted property value and market appeal. In a competitive housing market like Eagle's, curb appeal can directly influence your home's appraised value and resale potential. New windows signal to potential buyers that the home has been well maintained, energy efficient, and modernized. The benefits include higher asking price when selling your home, faster sale time thanks to better first impressions, increased buyer confidence in your home's structural condition. Even if you're not selling right away, investing in curb appeal now ensures you're prepared for the future. Long-lasting beauty with low maintenance. Modern replacement windows are built to maintain their appearance with minimal upkeep. You'll enjoy long-term curb appeal without the hassle of constant repainting or resealing. Features include fade-resistant finishes, weatherproof materials that resist warping and cracking, easy clean glass and tilt-in designs for convenience. This means your home continues looking great for years to come, with less effort on your part. Final thoughts. Give your home the upgrade it deserves. Window replacement is one of the most impactful ways to enhance your home's curb appeal in Eagle. From fresh style to improved symmetry, natural light, and energy savings, it's a smart investment that improves both form and function. If you're ready to give your home a striking new look and added value, reach out to a trusted local window expert in Eagle. A more beautiful, energy-efficient, and inviting home is just a window away.